Lesson 4 Introduction to Korean Consonants. Now let's learn how to read Korean consonants. Let's learn how to write and read consonants with me. Number 1. These are number 1. Number 1 is the basic consonant. These are number 2. Number 2 is pronounced more strongly. These are number 3. Number 3 looks like one more basic consonant combined with number 1. Let's try to pronounce it together. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음, 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지읒, 히읗. Number 2 is pronounced more strongly. 기역, 티귿, 피읍, 치읓. 기역, 키역, 디귿, 티귿, 비읍, 피읍, 지읒, 치읓. 쌍기역, 쌍 means double. 쌍기역, 쌍디귿, 쌍비읍, 쌍시옷, 쌍지읒. Number 3 looks like one more basic consonant combined with number 1. This time, let's combine with the vowel 으. Okay? 으, 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 브, 스, 으, 즈, 흐, 크, 트, 프, 츠, 끄, 뜨, 뿌, 쓰, 쯔, 그, 크, 끄, 드, 트, 뜨, 프, 프, 뿌, 스, 스, 즈, 츠, 쯔. Number 1. 프, 프, 무 are the sounds from the lips. 프, 프, 무. Let's pronounce it by yourself. Number 2. 드, 트, 느, 르, 스. 디귿, 티귿, 니은, 리을, 시옷 are the sounds from putting your tongue behind the upper teeth. Behind the upper teeth. Putting your tongue behind the upper teeth. 드, 트, 느, 르, 스. Number 3. 즈, 츠 are the sounds from the front of the roof of the mouth. 즈, 츠. 즈, 츠. Number 4. 그, 크, 그, 크 are the sounds from the back of the roof of the mouth. 그, 크. Lastly, number 5, 으, 흐 are the consonants from the throat. Let's pronounce it again. Number 1, 프, 프, 무. Number 2, 드, 트, 느, 르, 스. Number 3, 즈, 츠. Number 4, 그, 크. Number 5, 으, 흐. If you combine with the vowel ah, okay, then let's pronounce it together with the vowel ah. 바, 파, 마. Sounds from the lips. 다, 타, 나, 라, 사. Putting your tongue behind the upper teeth. 자, 차. from the front of the roof of the mouth. 자, 차. 가, 카. back of the roof of the mouth. aha. consonants from the throat. Thank you. See you next time.